when the polynomial 6x cube plus 11x square minus 12x minus a and 3x cube plus x square minus 12x minus 2 are divided by 3x plus 1, then remainder is same. Find the value of a. To find the value of a, we need the remainder theorem. According to the remainder theorem, when a polynomial p of x is divided by the linear expression x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Here both the polynomials are divided by 3x plus 1. So we can take 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we set the two polynomial expressions equal to each other at x is equal to minus 1 by 3 since the remainders are the same. So let p of x be equal to 6x cube plus 11x square minus 12x minus a, and q of x be equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 12x minus 2. The condition is p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to q of minus 1 by 3. Now we substitute x is equal to minus 1 by 3 in both the polynomials and equate it to each other. 6 into minus 1 by 3 the whole cube plus 11 into minus 1 by 3 the whole square minus 12 into minus 1 by 3 minus a is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 the whole cube plus minus 1 by 3 the whole square minus 12 into minus 1 by 3 minus 2. Now 3 cube is 27, minus 1 by 3 the whole cube, so sign will be negative. So this becomes 6 into minus 1 by 27 plus 11 into 1. Minus 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. So 11 into 1 by 9. Now minus 12 into minus 1 by 3 will become plus 4 minus a is equal to again 3 into minus 1 by 27. Minus 1 by 3 whole square is plus 1 by 9. Minus 12 into minus 1 by 3 is plus 4 minus 2. So minus 6 by 27, this becomes minus 2 by 9 plus 11 by 9 plus 4 minus a, this becomes minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 4 minus 2 is 2. Now taking the LCM as 9, we get minus 2 plus 11 plus 36 minus a is equal to minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 gets cancelled and you will get 2. So here 11 plus 36 is 47, minus 2 is 45. So 45 by 9 minus a is equal to 2. Now this is 5 minus a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So the value of a is 3.